channel. It's me, Keshav Nangia, and today I am going to teach you how to make an origami wallet. So here is one pocket right here, and the other pocket is just above the below one. This, and it can also lock by putting this flap into this little pocket. Like this, and you can just press it to close. So now what we are going to do this is that take rectangle sheet of paper and fold it in half from this here, like this. Now that you have folded it, unfold and flip. Now fold this edge to align with the crease here, the middle crease, like this. Same way, do it the other side. Then unfold this flap and fold this edge to align with the crease again, but don't repeat it on the other side. And then just fold it along with the crease like this. Then turn over and just by one small centimeter or inch, fold it just a little bit like this. Just by centimeter or an inch. Same on the other side. Now what you do is, by this crease over here, fold it in half, and before you fold it, just take these long flaps and do a valley fold by making a triangle fold like this, and then fold it back again. Same on this. Take the longer flap and fold it in the triangular fold, valley fold, and fold it back over. Now fold it into half by this crease. And then what you do is slightly unfold it and take this edge to tuck it into this pocket right here under this flap. Tuck it like this and press it so that it doesn't come out. Press it properly. Same on the other side. Take this edge and tuck it into this pocket under the flap. So now that you have folded it, then what you do is fold the whole thing in half like this. And you will notice that these edges and these curves are little straight. So you just run your finger like this, push it through them and then fold it. And now for the final step, locking the wallet. Take this edge and put it into this pocket right here. Like this. Tuck it into the pocket, this pocket like this. And your wallet is ready. And your wallet is ready. And well, you can't put money in it. Well, you can't put money in it, actual money. You can just put 5-6 coins in it. And few notes in this pocket right here. Thank you.